you explain the importance of each section which is contributing to the overall score to the test?
Well, if you talk about the significance, I think all the sections are important. AWA serves a different purpose altogether. So the University Admissions Committee is looking at the AWA score from a different perspective. So when you're writing, your response has to have logic in it, it has to have strong reasoning in it. So that plays a different role. So the score scale that you get on 0 to 6, that is basically whatever you score is basically on the basis of how much you're able to logically write, right? So it is a completely different ball game altogether. When it comes to the verbal and quant sections, it's more objective. So we kind of have a score that is slightly different, but they play a very different role in understanding the student's psyche. So each one of these sections were precisely made to serve the bigger purpose which the admissions committee is looking at.